Claude Code sessions can now message each other, and the key point is that this is not a mock-up. What you are seeing in this update is official demo footage paired with the product docs that explain exactly how the feature behaves. The idea is simple. One local Claude Code session can send context to another local session, so you can hand off work without copying and pasting everything yourself. In the demo, one session finishes a task, packages up what matters, and passes that result across to another session that can continue from there. What gets passed is important. This is not user chat text bouncing between terminals. The content is sent as inter-session context. That means the receiving session gets structured working context that Claude Code can use to continue the job, rather than a plain message thread pretending to be collaboration. There are also clear control points on the receiving side. When a session gets a message, it can accept it, hold it, or refuse it. So delivery is not automatic execution. The target session stays in control of whether that incoming context should be used right away, deferred, or rejected. The current boundary matters too. Local sessions can initiate messages. Remote sessions are more limited right now. Through remote control, they can reply, but they do not initiate the same way a local session does. That makes this release useful today, while still leaving a clear line around what is and is not supported yet. Platform support also has a firm boundary. The feature requires Claude Code version 2.1.224 or later. It is for macOS, Linux, and WSL2. Native Windows is not supported in this release. And for this project specifically, our installed local CLI is too old to verify the workflow hands-on, which is why this video stays inside the official demo and documentation instead of claiming an independent test. The interesting part is the workflow impact. A research session can gather facts, then hand context to a writing session. A coding session can finish a refactor, then pass the implementation state to a test or review session. A monitoring session can collect logs and send the right context to a debugging session. In each case, the value is not just messaging. It is cleaner baton passing between focused agents or terminals. There are safeguards as well. Repeated loops are throttled, and the queue cap is 50 accepted messages. That matters because once systems can pass work to each other, you need limits that prevent noisy or runaway behavior. So the verdict is straightforward. This is a meaningful feature for people already working with multiple Claude Code sessions. It makes session-to-session handoff more native, more explicit, and more controlled. But it is also an early, clearly bounded capability. You need the right version, the right platform, and the right expectation, local initiation, remote reply support, receiver approval, and context handoff instead of free-form chat. Within that boundary, the official demo shows a real step toward more coordinated terminal-based workflows.